Natalie here from Sete Design in front of some kind of strange machinery, mining. It says power mining machine. I just love anything industrial like that. And then mix industrial with vineyard. Woo! Okay, Happy New Year from Sete Design. I want to say I know it's kind of loud here because of the traffic, trucks going by in wine country, California. I want to say, here we go, 2024. And I want to encourage you all to follow your dreams. You don't have to work out, you don't have to wake up early, and you don't have to even have to eat right. But you do need to follow your dream. And if to have a plan for that helps, I love my plans. I love to make journals and diaries and write notes and draw pictures. Any kind of plan is beautiful. But I've also been thinking that I love the idea of moving to action and not having a plan and not even knowing how it's going to work out, but believing in your desire and your dream. And when you're following your dream, that as I feel that I am, as muddled as it might have become, it just gives you a natural high. You feel so great. So 2024, I hope it might be something creative because I love any kind of creativity. What's your dream? What are you going to do to make it happen?
Okay, here we go, 2024. 3 tips for following your dreams. Number 1, you need to commit to your dream and write it down so that you have to define it and define the words. This will help you to think it, write it, and then read it afterwards. 3 times the power. So that's number 1. Then, number 2 is every night before you go to bed, think of your dream. You can obviously think of it during the day, whenever you want. The more you think of it, the better. But before you go to bed at night, think of it. And even dream of it. And feel it in your heart that, that you believe it's going to happen. And if possible, think of it in present tense. So not like, oh, a dream in the future, but imagine it actually happening already. Like you're living the dream. Also, in tip number 2, when you wake up in the morning, try and use that first hour to think about your dream at that point. Without stress, with joy and with expectations. And the first hour of the day our brains are more in theta, and that's like the sleepy, dreamy, creative state. And so instead of doing something mundane, like washing the dishes, which is what I used to do, or, you just wake up, you try and find a routine in the morning, and you think about your dream. And then it's more when we're in that theta brainwave, you're more, I'm going to need to go. When you're in the theta brainwave, it touches your it is more likely to reach your subconscious. So if you believe that our subconscious mind is, controlling a lot of the outcome of our dreams and desires because it's what's thinking more than maybe our present mind. So by thinking of a dream at night before you go to bed, and also in the morning as you're waking up, that helps. Then, look how pretty this is coming out. Tip number 3 is move to action. Each day, do something that helps you towards your dream. It can be a little thing or a big thing, but each day move towards action. Move to, get a move on. Every day, be working on your dream. Even if it's some small action, just so time isn't going by and you're not doing anything. You know, it's not enough to just wish and hope. You must move to action. Each day, try and do something that you feel is going to directly help you toward achieving your goal, you know, your dream. So whatever that might be, little or small, make sure you're working on it every single day. And those are the 3 tips. Put it in words and commit to it. Think about it before you go to bed and in the morning, and move every day towards action, towards creating it. Now, when the girls were young, growing up in Italy, in a medieval palazzo that was 800 years old, I used to go around the house with a candelabra sometimes, like at night, you know, to make them laugh. Like, hello out there. Basically, the moment you light a candelabra and have a candelabra in your life, you feel fly. You feel abundant, you feel elegant, you feel like you are on your path towards success. So, go light a candelabra, write your dream down, think about it at night and in the morning, and every day, do something towards attaining it. Happy New Year 2024!